Tech enthusiasts, brace yourselves. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, launching next January, is set to redefine flagship smartphones. Packed with Qualcomm's next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, this powerhouse processor will dominate markets worldwide. Interestingly, Samsung's Ultra variant will feature an exclusive for Galaxy version of the chip, optimized for even greater performance. Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, September surprise unveiling. Traditionally, Qualcomm unveils its flagship application processors (APs) in October. However, this year might be different. According to a machine-translated Weibo post by Digital Chat Station, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 could debut as early as September. But why the early reveal? Here's the scoop. Media showdown with MediaTek. MediaTek is gearing up to launch its Dimensity 9500 SoC this September. Qualcomm's early unveiling could steal the spotlight from its fierce competitor. Advanced manufacturing technology. Both Qualcomm and MediaTek's flagship 2025 APs will leverage TSMC's cutting-edge third-generation 3nm process, N3P, setting the stage for top-notch performance. Samsung's strategy, closing the gap with Apple. Samsung might also accelerate its Galaxy S26 unveiling, moving it to December 2025. This timeline allows pre-orders for the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S26 lines within the same year, aligning more closely with the iPhone 17 series launch. By reducing the release gap, Samsung aims to better compete with its biggest rival, Apple. Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, unparalleled performance. Slated for flagship Android phones starting October, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 promises powerful Pegasus cores, with a maximum clock speed of 5 GHz, this chip is built for speed. Next-gen features, support for LPDDR6 RAM and the all-new Adreno 840 GPU ensure unmatched graphics and multitasking. Performance boost, delivering 25% faster speeds and 30% better GPU performance compared to its predecessor. In summary, Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 and Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra are paving the way for a thrilling year in mobile innovation. Stay tuned as tech giants battle for supremacy.